Better than stock?
Yeah, it's better than stock. Before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out Jamie Marsh. Thank you, I appreciate you always coming through, looking out for us. And then for you guys watching, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment. Thank you.
Should look good. I like it, right? It should look stock.
Oh, this was the car that was on the...
It's got AC, power steering. This is the car that you ruined, Jamie.
Yeah, they definitely ruined it.
Ruined. This is the car you guys ruined. We'll pull that fan out the back and bring it to the front. Yo, Mike.
What up?
Such a beautiful car. They ruined my car, right?
Yo, terrible. Got the window sticker on it. I don't even know how they do that to it.
That's what I'm saying, Mike.
Hey, what'd you do?
You my boy.
Did he even see the bay?
Did you see the engine bay?
You see the bay yet?
He didn't even see it yet. What bay?
Mike.
I saw it.
Mike is more OCD than my brother.
Yo,
They ruined my car though, right?
damn, what'd you do to this? You battle can this? Yo, did you do the famous can? Were you shaking bacon on this?
Like factory, right?
Nah, it looks better than it looks like J-Rock ready.
Damn. Yo, Jamie, what you think? You like it?
Yeah, it's a work of art.
It ain't bad.
I don't know what the real question is, how much power do you think it's going to make? 176.
176? K20 Type-R.
188.
AC on a car.
Yo, hold on, real quick.
is the Type-R
Yo,
model.
Jamie, explain to the people on YouTube why they said AC. Why does AC rob horsepower?
Well, you're driving. It's another driving force on the car. Just like power steering.
Power steering is on, AC, the alternator.
You gotta think about how much horsepower it takes to drive a power steering pump.
Bigger belt, more pulleys.
Yo, you did 176? I was.
Motion.
Oh,
Does he have some 210?
210?
Yeah. Does he have a
I'm gonna go 220. This thing's gonna make 220.
It's just got an airbox on it and probably a
Oh, that's true. I forgot the airbox. All right, maybe 215. Yo. Who's excited? You guys?
Oh, they haven't even seen the car.
No, they haven't. They've seen the car.
No, they haven't seen it finished.
They haven't seen it done, but you guys don't look excited. It's dyno day.
What are you talking about?
It's dyno day. This shit's been.
car is finally
Yo,
off.
J-Rock, how long this shit been sitting on the lift for?
Kev, you excited?
No.
What's today?
Fuck me Friday.
You guys, I'm more excited than you guys. This car.
You're the most excited because you got the softest
Let's see your hands.
here.
Hold on. Put your hands on camera. Put your hands up.
I can't. I'm holding the camera.
Put your hands up.
I'm holding the camera.
Put your hands up.
Listen.
Let's see yours.
Nah. Yo, this car's been on the lift for like 2 months. So we took off the Reggae Masters today because wheels are way too aggressive for this car. So I don't know, maybe we have to get a thinner tire or either roll the fender, which we're probably not gonna do. So we have to put the stock JDM Type-R wheels on here.
I just want to say this ain't Grandpa's car no more.
It's not. It's not. Got something special planned. We.
No, you.
But what do you guys think of the stock Type-R? These are JDM 16-inch Type-R wheels from a JDM Integra Type-R. We also have the 15-inch Integra Type-R wheels that we're gonna try on here for now until we figure out what are we gonna do with the Reggae Masters. Me personally, don't know how I feel about the Reggae Masters. I'm gonna try a few different wheel setups. You guys let me know what you guys think. Jamie thinks the car's gonna make 210, but I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. But let me know what you guys think about the factory Type-R wheels on here. You said you hate the wheels? You hate the wheels?
I don't mind the wheels, but I don't like them on this particular car.
You like the wheels?
The 16's on.
I personally like the fact that I like the US one over all the wheels I've been on here so far.
I feel like these wheels belong in like an EK or something.
Yeah, I agree. I think the US wheels should go back on and the Rega Masters save them for a different build. This is my opinion. I want to try white and gunmetal on here, USDM ICR wheels. But yeah, white might look good.
I'm gonna champion white on off-white.
White on white?
You have no taste, bro. You have no
I
taste.
feel like, you know what else? These would also look good on a black EV.
I agree. On a black EV, these might look really
Anyways,
good.
can you stop talking and show them the bed because they haven't seen the car yet.
They seen it.
No, they haven't. Not all done up.
Yo, can I just say something on camera? Yo, man, come here. You know I love you, right? What? I just want to let you know that.
Just know that we love you.
Something's coming, and I feel it.
No, I don't think I ever told you that. I appreciate you, and I just want you to know that.
We
No. I'm
hold
trying
on.
to like.
we
love you. We are the team, right? We are the team.
I love my boy right here.
I feel something's up.
we gonna see how much he really love him then. We
No,
gonna
stop building.
we gonna find out.
Car.
All right.
Yeah, just show him like details. Like, look at my boy phone. Look at this. Doesn't that shit look nice? It's tapered.
I ain't gonna hold you. This car's amazing. Yo, brand
Better than stock.
Yeah, it's better than stock. I have to say it. This thing is like the attention to detail. He even got the emission sticker for me. I like it. I really do. Came out great.
OEM cap. Everything is pretty much OEM.
Love the black header. The zinc is insane in here. I don't know. You guys really outdid yourself on
You
this
know what
one.
the best part is? When we go on the highway and cruise control works, AC works.
Power steering. It's crazy.
This car is just too good. You guys, yo, you set the level of builds from here to like here. Like I don't know how you're gonna outdo the next build. I honestly don't.
I think every car has its own own theme pretty much. This right here is like an OEM finish style.
That's gonna be the next theme. That's the
I
question.
don't
I feel
know.
like we outdid ourselves on something like this, but it's like, what's the next thing gonna be?
I don't know.
curious.
All I know is don't touch any of my cars anymore. It's the last one. I feel like you guys have reins on. If I ever get anything in the future, just please don't touch it.
I know I'm good because I never have cars.
Could you show them this? So
Good stuff.
look at this, right? Nice black OEM. I tucked it behind the fender. Nice and neat. Down to the fucking pump. Nice.
This looks clean.
Usually you see them run over here across the top. Yeah, this right here.
This is just too clean. Too clean. And the best part is, it's mine. It's mine.
Oh, now you're
It's
excited.
mine.
Now you're excited.
Hell yeah, I'm excited.
I think this car is stock type for the USDM wheel.
Yo, that was a great first pull. Like,
Wide as hell.
what do you think it made? 200? He said 200. First pull ever on this swap. 189. 189. 189. That.
Get me on that.
You got intake. you got intake.
You know what's weird? Like, you don't really hear the VTEC because there's no intake.
That shit sounded like a stock TSX on a dyno just now.
I don't know.
What is it out of?
94% injected.
94%. That. Yo, did you change the fuel pump?
Yeah,
Did you change that fuel pump? No.
Yo, Mike, what kind of fuel pump you got in your van?
Yo, I don't think we changed the fuel pump in here.
We're trying to keep it as OEM as possible.
Not
That's what
180.
we're gonna try to
Not
sell
189 though.
on
I can't ride around 189. I would
Just for power.
I would have
We're
left this.
making it for what it is.
I would have
just
put a fucking
simple
B
and
series in
clean.
here for that. You think it's gonna be good? You said you think it's gonna be 210?
He says he thinks 210.
Jamie set us up. 195. Damn, so they pulled the intake off. They gained 10 horsepower?
Might.
I say at least 7.
7?
Yeah. Is it about that long?
Huh? Nah, I ain't getting on camera. So they took the intake tube off. I think it's gonna be good for maybe 5 to 7 horsepower. But we're gonna find out. 190 ain't it. For 190 horse, I would have put a Type-R V6. See what it made. 215. Wow. Yo! 215. That was like 20 horsepower from just the airbox.
I'm gonna take the filter out. Just leave it out there.
Yo.
It's not just that, it's the box. It's the ability to get air into the box.
Yo, 20 wheel horsepower for an airbox?
Yeah.
Final dyno numbers on the Unicorn Civic Si hatch. 215. The airbox made a huge difference. 20 wheel horsepower. I couldn't imagine with the AC, like I said, with the AC off and the power steering, I think I made like 240 wheel before. So we're gonna keep it at 215 just to keep it for a street car. I was hoping to make like 220, but I don't want to really push the car too hard. It's not like a race car, so it's a street car. So final numbers on the car is gonna be 215 with all the stuff on it. If I had a fuel pump, I think it'll make 220, but I'm happy with the 215. Let me know what you guys think of the build. This thing just came out amazing. I can't wait. There's gonna be more videos of the car. We're gonna wheel set up when we take it out here and there, but for the most part, the car is pretty much complete. So I'll see you guys on the next video.